Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use AI assistant to automate marketing agencies. So let's suppose I am running a marketing agency and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to create an AI agent and then whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn how you can create this AI agent and automate your WhatsApp conversations, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the WhatsApp conversations using the AI agent which I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now I have created this AI agent. We are going to test this once. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, "Hello, please send me your business details." I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this message. Here it says, of course, here are our business details. Business name is Pabbly WhatsApp Automation. What we do, here we automate lead generation, client inquiries and campaign management using WhatsApp AI assistant. How we serve agencies, e-commerce brands, real estate companies, event organizers, coaches. Here they have sent me the core features and then the contact details. And then it's asked me, would you like to see our service brochure or book a free demo? So I'm going to write, please book a demo for me. So I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it says, I'd be happy to help you book a demo. Could you please share your name, email, phone number? Also, let me know your preferred time for the demo. Once I get these details, I'll get your demo scheduled. So let's suppose I want to send these details, but I'm just sending my name. Let's see what reply it gives to me. So I've sent my name and let's wait for the reply here, and it is saying, thank you Shubhuti, could you please provide your email address, phone number and the preferred time. So now I'm going to send all these details. And then I'm going to write the time as tomorrow evening. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me, thank you Shumurthy, I have noted your details. This is your email, this is your phone number and your preferred time is this. Your demo will be scheduled accordingly and you will receive a confirmation soon. If you have any other questions or need the service brochure, just let me know. Looking forward to your session. So I will also write, could you please send pricing details? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So it has sent me this, starter plan is this, growth plan is this, enterprise plan is this. Now I'm going to ask, so I'm going to send this message, could you send this in Hindi? Let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this message, that too in Hindi. The same message I have received in Hindi language as soon as I asked, can you send this in Hindi? So this is how my WhatsApp chatbot is working. I have automated my complete WhatsApp conversation with the help of AI agent which I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent to automate the WhatsApp conversation of marketing agencies. And for this, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot or the AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. Now, before signing in to our Pabbly Chatflow account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. And if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. And this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here we have landed towards this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You can see the credits allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Now you can add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this option of WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can visit the link given in the description. Now on the left hand side you can see all of these features. So we have created a detailed video on all of these features, the playlist of which is available on our YouTube channel by the name Pabbly Chatflow. You can visit the playlist and get more details on this inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. So now in this video we are going to create an AI agent. To create an AI agent, on the left hand side we have this option of AI assistant. So let's open this. Here we have landed towards this AI assistant. You can see the total AI assistants, active AI assistants and the inactive AI assistants. We have 4 total AI assistants and they are active on separate chats. So now to create a new AI assistant, you have to simply click on this add AI assistant. I'm going to open this. Now as soon as I click on this button, I have this option of assistant name. So I'm going to name this as AI assistant to automate the marketing agencies, and then I'm going to click on this add. Here I have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this AI agent. So the first option which we are provided is of AI instructions. First, we are going to select the AI instructions. In this drop down, you can see all the options. I'm going to select it as AI agent, and then as soon as I select it as AI agent, the instructions are updated automatically. You can enhance the instructions according to your choice, preference and requirement. Here I'm going to keep it as default itself. Now we have this AI configuration, and under this we have this temperature. So temperature helps us moderate the answer given to our queries by this AI. So it's written set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So I'm going to keep it to 0.7. Now select the AI to use. I'm going to use OpenAI, and then I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o mini. You have to select this according to your choice and preference, and then we have to enter this API key. So in this help desk it's written OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Kindly visit this hyperlink to get the API key that you need to enter here. I'm going to open this hyperlink, and you will see I will be landed towards the API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. Let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I'm going to enter my API key, and then I'm simply going to click on this connect. Please make sure that after adding this API key, you click on this connect. If you do not connect this, when you save this AI assistant, it will not get saved. And also while uploading the knowledge source or any other detail, it will not get saved. So as soon as you enter this API key, please make sure that you click on this connect. Now in this AI assistant settings, what you can do, if you toggle on this header message and you write some header message, it will start appearing on your header message. If you enter some footer message, it will start appearing on your footer message. You simply have to toggle on these buttons on, and you can enter according to your requirement and choice. So I just need the fallback message. Here we also have this retry attempt. If I click on this, toggle on this, here it says that you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So you can also increase this or decrease this. I have kept this as 1, but I'm going to toggle this off. In the stop keywords, if you toggle this on, it's written enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So here, let's suppose I'm going to write stop. And we have toggled this on, and if a user enter a message like stop, then this AI agent is going to stop replying to the messages. So here we have this fallback message. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Now this fallback message is going to be sent when the AI does not have the answer to reply. So if suppose I ask about some query which is not related to the business and it is not uploaded to my knowledge source and the AI does not understand what is the question, it is going to send this fallback message. What you can also do, you can add the contact details of your company in this fallback message so that whenever the AI agent fails to reply, they send that fallback message in which the contact details are there and your customers can directly contact you. So here we are done with this first step. Moving on towards this knowledge source. So in the knowledge source, I'm going to select it as upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud and I'm going to upload the file which I've already downloaded. So this is by the name AI Assistant Knowledge Base and I have uploaded this in the .txt format. You can also upload this in PDF format. I'm going to open that knowledge source for you once. So this is the knowledge base which I have created. So AI Assistant Knowledge Base, I have first given the introduction, business identity, I have given the business name, what we do, target audience, tone of voice. So this is for my AI agent to clarify how should we reply. Then we have the score function of the AI assistant. So we have the lead generation, client inquiry, campaign management, and then with the help of this knowledge base itself, my AI agent was asking me the questions like we saw in the real time that it was collecting the information from me. So with the help of this particular knowledge base itself, that AI agent was collecting the information from me even when I was not giving the complete detail. First, I just send them the name and then it again asked me, please send the email, phone number and the timing. So according to this knowledge base itself, whatever knowledge source you provide to this AI agent, it is going to act accordingly. Now here I have not provided the brochure link, but you can provide that obviously. You can add more details, you can provide the links, you can provide the website link, YouTube link and so on. You can provide many more data or you can attach many more details to this knowledge base. So here I have provided the contact details, how it should respond, what are the details, what we do and everything. Now I'm going to open my AI assistant. So here I have uploaded this knowledge base and I have shown you completely how it is going to work and how it replies. So whatever you add in your knowledge base, it is going to act accordingly. Now moving on towards the next step of this AI interface. Here you have to name your brand. I'm going to write it as Pabbly and you see it starts appearing over here. In the header display, I want to keep it as we are online and happy to assist you. In the initial message, hi there, how can I help you today? If you want to add any other message, you can add 2 initial messages. You can do that. I want to keep it like this only. In the display, the powered by Pabbly, if you disable this, it will stop showing over here. But if you keep it enabled, it will start appearing. Now we have this footer text. I have entered the privacy policy and the link to this privacy policy and then the user first message. So it's written this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. Even if they do not enter something like I need help, even if they send hey, like I have sent the message, hey please provide the business details like that. Even if they send some messages like these, your AI agent is going to reply to them. Moving on towards the next and the final option, we have this of styling. So you can keep the theme as dark. I want to keep it as light. We have this assistant shape. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this background color, text color. If you want, you can change this. I'm going to keep it as default. You can also enter the header profile picture and the assistant profile picture. You can simply click on this cloud and you can insert your pictures over here. You can enter the background picture also. So here we have created this AI agent. Now over here you can see this start chat. If you click on this button, you can start the chat directly. And if you scan the QR, so if you provide the QR, the user is going to scan it from the phone and they can start the chat directly. We have also another option of this embed. So with the help of this script, you can add this to your website and you can embed this to that particular website. And whenever a user click on that, they're going to automatically start this WhatsApp conversation. Now it is important to understand that you have to keep this toggle on to keep this AI agent active. If you keep this toggle off, your messages won't be sent. Your AI agent is not active and it will not be able to send the messages. So we have to keep it active. Now after we have done this, we have to save this AI assistant. So AI assistant saved successfully. We are done with saving this, but how we are going to activate to this to the chats? So on the left hand side itself, we have this option of inbox. I'm going to open this inbox option in a new tab. Now on the left hand side, you can see that this was my chat. This is the previous chat which we have done, and I am going to toggle on this choose AI assistant, and from this select AI assistant I am going to choose my AI assistant, and simply we can toggle this on for that particular chat. But if we want to enable this for the complete contacts or a particular contact list, what we can do, on the left hand side you can see all these options. We are going to go towards the settings and then click on this inbox settings. Here we are landed towards this inbox settings, and if we scroll down, here we have the option of enable AI auto replies. First I am going to disable this so that I can show you. So I have disabled the AI assistant for all the chats. Now what you have to do after coming to your inbox settings, you have to enable this. As soon as you enable this, you will get two options, contact list and the AI assistant. Now if you have created a contact list, particular contact list, you can select it from the drop down. I have not created the list. I am going to enable it for all the contacts. So I am going to select the contact list as all contacts, and from here you can select your AI assistant. Now here I have created this AI assistant to automate marketing agencies, and I'm going to select this AI assistant for all the contacts. I'm going to save this. As soon as you do this, this particular AI assistant is active on all of your contacts. What you can also do, you can click on this add more rule. You can select your particular contact list and select your AI assistant for that particular contact list. So in this manner, you can segregate your contact, or you can activate a particular AI assistant to all of your contacts. Now for the last time, I'm going to test this. So I'm going to send them the message, hello, should I get your product? What benefit will I get? I have sent this message. Now let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this message. Hello, great question. Our Pabbly WhatsApp automation can bring several benefits to your business. Lead generation, client inquiry management, campaign management, integrations, 14-day free trial. Would you like to know more, or perhaps book a demo? So as soon as I ask them for the demo, they are going to collect my information, and if I ask them about the more information, they will keep giving me the benefits of this business. So this is how this AI agent is going to automate all my WhatsApp conversation, and I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automations. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.